Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Rainbow Six Siege authenticating ownership. So first of all, you want to go ahead and sign into your Ubisoft account, and on your library there should be Rainbow Six Siege installed. If you don't see it there, then your account is wrong and you need to sign in into a different account. So you just want to go ahead, log out and log into a different account. You can go ahead and try to use the account with the email from Steam, basically the same account which Steam has this game. And after you will have it here and you will see it there, then all you need to do is go ahead and open up properties of the Six Siege, and then go to install files and verify the integrity of the game files. It will take a little bit of time, but that should fix this problem. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.